Quality managers keep telling me the same thing. Things are already in production and then they find an error. And it's weeks after things were produced. Everybody treats it like it's just a part of building complex machines. And of course, the mistake wasn't made at commissioning, it was made on the line. A wrong torque parameter, a skipped check, and after that the machine kept moving. It was tested, it was packaged and shipped to the customer, and all with the error inside it. Finding out late isn't bad luck, it's a systematic problem and it's your responsibility. Let me tell you how it can be done. Atlas Copco Airtec tracks every torque value, every mandatory step, every sequence across their assembly line directly in Azumuta. They build an entire analytics layer on top of it to measure quality for every single product to catch deviations before the machine ships to a customer. In machine manufacturing, every build counts. You're not producing thousands of identical units, you're building one machine, often configured to order, with hundreds of interdependent steps. One skipped check doesn't affect a batch, it affects that machine and that specific customer. Inline validation isn't just about checking quality, it's about being confident you can ship without errors. And if that sounds familiar, let's talk.